Love tech and gadgets? Then you'll want to have a look at the 10 best tech gadgets of 2022. These products take your tech above and beyond. Each year amazes us with its new tech developments, and 2022 is no different. Whether it's a phone with illuminating rear strips or a super cool update to popular Sony headphones, the best tech gadgets of 2022 take innovation to the next level. 10. Apple MacBook Air with M2 processor. Work more efficiently with the Apple MacBook Air with M2 processor, which is a powerhouse. Boasting up to 8 hours of video playback, it has a fanless design like the M1 MacBook Air to keep it from overheating. What's more, this slim-bezeled 13.6-inch liquid retina display has a notch cutout for the 1080p FaceTime camera. Additionally, it has two Thunderbolt 4 ports, a headphone jack, and an impressive 500 nit brightness. Available in 4 striking colors: silver, space gray, starlight, midnight blue, this all-aluminum unibody laptop boasts style. Get yours for $1,199. 9. Google Pixel 6a smartphone. Experience intuitiveness and enjoy seamless operation with smooth transition with the Google Pixel 6a that comes bundled with a myriad of innovative features. Powered by the Google Tensor processor built especially for Pixel, enables you to experience seamless juggling and multitasking. Moreover, the powerful battery adapted into this phone gives enormous power to your phone, allowing it to run for a prolonged period. Furthermore, with Face Unblur, Magic Eraser, Night Sight, and Real Tone features incorporated into this phone, you can capture masterpieces and enjoy impeccable imagery. Google Pixel 6a adapts to you. It's super fast and secure and powered by Google Tensor, the first chip designed by Google just for Pixel. Pixel's fast-charging all-day battery adapts to you and saves power for the apps you use most. Take amazing photos with Pixel's 12-megapixel camera and tools like Magic Eraser, Motion Mode, and Portrait Mode. With Google Tensor, your phone launches apps fast, pages and images load quickly, and everything runs smoothly. Puzzling battery performance aside, the Pixel 6a is hard to beat if you're looking for a great phone for under $500. The phone has a compelling look, a bright display, and better performance than its closest Android arch-rival, the Galaxy A5 III. 8. DJI Mini 3 Pro Camera Drone. Look at the world a little closer with the DJI Mini 3 Pro Camera Drone. Weighing under 249 grams, it's super lightweight and portable and, best of all, doesn't require registration in most countries. Plus, its foldable design enables you to take it virtually everywhere with ease. Moreover, this DJI lightweight camera drone includes forward, backward, and downward vision sensors and can avoid obstacles in complicated environments. Get yours now for $759. 7. Samsung 2022 Neo QLED series. Experience powerful processing with the Samsung 2022 Neo QLED series. Featuring 3 TVs in the collection, QN900B, QN800B, and QN95B, you'll receive a cinematic vibe at home. With Samsung's Neural Quantum processor, 8K resolution delivers a 3D-like image that's perfect for watching sports or pulse-pounding action. Meanwhile, the QN95B boasts a 4K resolution for an intensely realistic picture and immersive audio. You can get yours for $2,399.99. 6. Apple 2022 iPad Air. Boasting Apple Silicon, the Apple 2022 iPad Air delivers the performance you need for any task. Leaping ahead of past models, it has the M1 chip and an 8-core CPU. This, paired with the 8-core GPU, delivers incredible graphics performance. More than that though, this new iPad Air also has the 16-core neural engine to let you enjoy intuitive experiences. You can get yours for $599. 5. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Enjoy multiple immersive displays on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 folding smartphone. With a customizable form factor, this phone boasts a shape-shifting design that includes the 7.6-inch main screen with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate and discrete under-display camera. The large screen optimizes social media apps and streaming services, even watch shows hands-free with Flex Mode. You can pre-order yours for $1,799.99. 4. Razer Stream Controller. Simplify your live stream or content creation with the Razer Steam Controller. Its customizable touchscreen lets your creativity flow, giving you instant access to any function via customizable buttons and dials. Yes, you can go live, adjust audio, and more with this all-in-one controller. It features 12 haptic switchblade keys, whose level of tactile response you can adjust. Then, 6 tactile analog dials allow you to control the media, audio, and other channels. You can get yours for $269.99. 3. Sony WH-1000XM5 wireless headphones. Hear your music in a new light with the Sony WH-1000XM5 wireless headphones. Designed with an Auto NC optimizer, these headphones automatically adjust the sound based on your environment and wearing conditions. Moreover, the Sony WH-1000XM5 includes 8 microphones, 4 on each, with noise-canceling technology. In fact, the microphones also utilize precise voice pickup technology and advanced audio signal processing. You can get yours for $399.99. 2. Wise Room Sensor. Feel comfortable in every area of your house with the Wise Room Sensor. It's compatible with the Wise thermostat to rid your home of hot and cold spots. Simply place this gadget in popular rooms and allow the compatible thermostat to balance your home's climate. Moreover, this sensor continuously communicates with the thermostat to balance your home's temperature. You can get yours for $24.99. 1. Nothing Phone 1. Like a peacock spreads its feathers to make itself more appealing, the new Nothing Phone 1 uses its plume of 900 LED lights arranged behind transparent glass to separate itself from the many identical-looking smartphones available these days. But as a feature that essentially amounts to a fun gimmick, Nothing's light-up glyph notification system is by no means enough to make it more worth your time than the Samsung, Google, and iPhones of the world. Looking past the aesthetics, has this startup tech company made a phone worthy of becoming your daily product, or is this all just a load of hype? We spent a few weeks using the phone to make up our minds. There are a lot of smartphones revealed every single year, and most of them look nearly identical. The Nothing Phone 1 deserves some praise for trying something different. However, the glyphs, the transparent design, and small unique features here and there are not what makes the phone worth buying. Instead, the Nothing Phone's value lies in its ability to offer a solid smartphone at a good price tag, with a bright neon bow strapped to the back of it. It's important to remember, though, that this is Nothing's first smartphone, and only its second product overall. While that is exciting and allows the brand to get creative with this device, there's some concern to be had. When you attach 900 LEDs to the back of a smartphone, there's the possibility for things to degrade over time. Like all new adventures in tech, these factors are worth keeping in the back of your